In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can remove shipping calculated at checkout. Now, this is an easy tutorial. You can easily remove shipping calculated at checkout and your customers will not see that anymore. Now, the first thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on online store, okay? And after, guys, you click on online store, you will find here three little dots, okay? You either see here three little dots or actions. You want to click on it. And then you want to click at the very bottom. It says here edit default theme content or edit languages. It depends. Okay, some people have here edit languages, some people have edit default theme content. Click on it, and after that you want to search here for shipping calculated. Okay, you want to search for shipping calculated, as you can see, and here you will find this. Now what you need to do, guys, you want to change this and you're going to type here worldwide free shipping, okay? And you want to copy that exact text and you want to paste it here where it says cart, and you want to click on save. And after that, guys, after you do that, you want to search for calculated alone. Okay, you want to search for calculated, and anything that says here calculated at checkout, you want to change it to free shipping worldwide. Okay, that's it. You just want to do that. You just want to copy this text and paste it here and here. That's it. And you want to click on save, and you have successfully deleted that text. Okay, so if this video, guys, helps you, please drop a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.